Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall apps on your Honor 90. So to do this you have to go to the settings at the first. So we have to find this settings icon. Next you have to scroll down and find applications. Then go for all apps. And right now just select application that you want to remove. So in my case I want to get rid of booking.com, so I have to click right here and then select uninstall button, then click OK to confirm. And as you can see, we easily get rid of that application. And there's also some apps that you cannot remove, like for example the Google Chrome. Basically all the default system apps you just cannot remove from your phone. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.